Hey everyone, Happy New Year's from AVS. Here with you today to introduce another new harness for the Accuair ENDO tank. It's our AVS harness. This time it's if you're hooking up an eLevel or a Switch Speed. Both units have this same type of ECU right here. It's going to be able to plug into this ECU and then plug into your tank. This right here is the new ENDO VT45, which means 4-corner, 5-gallon. I have it plugged in right now. So basically what it's doing, we made it so where you can mount your ECU on the brackets that we've got coming out. Accuair's got some new ones too. Those will be available soon. And then right now I've got it plugged into each end cap. Let me take it off so I can show you. And there she is. So basically we got a Y harness going on here. You got your 8-pin on one end and then your 2 6-pins. They're both marked left and right. We did stagger them so they do fit the tank accordingly, since one harness is, or one plug is on the opposite side of the other. You've got grounds for the valve blocks that are inside there. They're already terminated for you with ring terminals, and they're soldered, so you don't got to worry about any corrosion. So got everything nice and tidy on there. Again, nice plug and play unit. Now the reason we've done this is you do get all the wiring included. When you get an eLevel or a Switch Speed, you're going to get the 8-pin harness. Okay. When you buy the tank, you're going to get the 2 6-pins. Problem is, you have to connect all this together. That means you're going to have a good soldering iron, some solder. You're going to need some heat shrink to put it all together. They do give you a little bit of sleeving. In my opinion, it's not enough. So you do have that, and a little bit of larger heat shrink to attach your sleeving onto. But again, most people aren't going to want to have to go through that, or don't want to have to follow wiring diagrams. Again, plug and play, guys. It's the easiest thing. They start at $65. We also have one more just like that, but it's going to be a lot longer. In case you're running the VT23s, which is 2 3-gallon tanks. If you want to spread them out, put them on the sides of your truck, or put them on the corners of your trunk, this is not going to reach. So we have the long version. So basically the one I just showed you is going to be our standard version, and then you'll have a long version. So when you go to our website, which it is available right now, go on there, take a pick of which one you want, and just get that order in. Other than that, if you can, please subscribe to our channel. We're going to have a lot more cool stuff coming out, not just new product releases, but how-to videos, what not to do videos, stuff like that. So any questions, give us a call, 559-486-5444. Other than that, you guys have an awesome new year.